This is second question homework 10. In this question, first one we focus on the Watson's stationary process. So WSS, if xt has the mean is a constant and the correlation function is only related to the difference between t1 t2. This concept is close to the strict sense stationary, and the difference is that xt is still related to t in WSS, whereas in SSS the fx of xt equals to fx of x, so this means SSS has no related to the time t. And as for the second one is independent increment process. So in this process we consider a probability of x of ta minus x of tb smaller than x1, where x of tc minus x of td smaller than x2, and this probability equals to the two one probability times another one. So for non-overlapping area, and we have an example which is a Poisson process, and this is very easy to think about. And about the third one, Markov process, and this is a process the path of it has no influence on the statistics of the future. So this means the probability of xt1 smaller than x1 when given xt2, xt3, and so on is only dependent on the probability of xt1 smaller than x1 when given xt2. So this means the statistics of the future is only related to the statistics of now. About the first question, normal process. So we define the xt as a normal process if xt1, xt2, and so on are joint normal. So this means it has a density function like this, and where the x is a matrix, the z eta is also a metric, also c is a metric. As for the fifth question, the straight seems stationary, and the definition is density function fx of x1, x2, and so on, and t1, t2, and so on equals to the fx t1, t2, and so on, x1, t1 plus epsilon, t2 plus epsilon, and so on. So for any t1, t2, and tn and epsilon, so the strict sense stationary SSS means a process is not related to t, but still related to the difference between t1 and t2. And the sixth question is about white noise. So we define white noise. Vt is if the autocorrelation function equals to the q of t1 times impulse function. So we consider Poisson impulse process minus lambda is an example. So this is quite imaginable. And the seventh question is about mean ergodic process. So we defined xt if the limit of this equation equals to the first moment of xt in mean square sense. So which means the first moment of xt is a constant and the limit should be 0. And as for its question is martingale, and this is means the first moment of x is smaller than infinity, and the e of x n plus 1 will given x1, x2, and so on until xn is xn. And this equation means that the mean of the next observation equals to the observation value of this time. So this is called martingale.